Welcome to Project Car Media. Today I'm going to be installing some Lasfit LED bulbs in the high beams of my 2016 F-150. So shout out to Lasfit for helping me get those bulbs. And I also have a couple small channel announcements, so definitely stick around for all of that content coming up. And welcome back to my channel. Now let's go ahead and get the announcements out of the way so we can work on getting these bulbs installed. Now the first announcement I want to make is that starting with this video, I'm going to be doing a video every week for the next 4 weeks. That's one of the goals I had for 2022. So this is the first video of that. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that as we go through them. We'll see how it goes, but I'm going to start that with this video. And the other announcement is that this is my very first video where I actually partner with a company on a video. The partner for this video is, you guessed it, Lasfit. Lasfit is a company based out of California, and they do LED bulbs, and they actually do laser cut floor mats, and they do other types of LED lighting. And they had seen my F-150 videos and reached out to me and asked if they could help with some of the lighting on the F-150. And so I told them, yeah, sure. You know, actually I need some high beam LEDs because I didn't put those in when I put those black housed headlights in last year for whatever reason. I don't remember why. And so they sent me out a set of bulbs to go ahead and do that. So huge shout out to Lasfit for helping me out with that. They also gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you use the link down in the description below, any of those links, and you buy something, go ahead and put in the code PCM10. I'll put that right on the screen here, and that'll get you 10% off of that order. So that's kind of a win-win for both of us, and it definitely helps support the channel as well. So go definitely check out their website through that link and look around. They got bulbs for all kinds of different cars, and they do laser cut floor mats as well. So yeah, those are the two announcements I wanted to make. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these bulbs, and we'll do a little bit of review on them, check them out before we install them, and we'll do some comparisons and see how these LED bulbs stack up against the stock halogen bulbs. Let's go ahead and get started unboxing these. This specific bulb is their LS series. It's like their most powerful, nicest bulb that they make. And so I'm going to be using these in the high beams of my 2016 F-150. So let's go ahead and unbox these here. This is the first time I'm seeing these, so let's check them out. Yeah, the box is really nice, and it looks like they have some nice packaging here. Safe and stylish, all right. And here you got your product manual, a little Allen tool, got some stickers. You always got to have some stickers. And then here are your actual bulbs and harnesses. These ones specifically are 8,000 lumen, and they are the 6000K color. So it's like a really, really bright white. And again, these are the nicest LED bulbs that Lasfit sells for the high beams in the 2015 to 2017 F-150s. So these should be plenty bright enough over the stock halogen bulbs. We won't know until we compare. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed. I will turn on the brights right now so you can see what they look like. And then I'll put one of them in the passenger side, and I'll leave the driver's side over there halogen. And we can kind of see what the difference looks like just here in the garage. And then later tonight when it gets dark, I will test out the brights and see how they look. So let's go ahead and get started on the install. I already did the passenger side, and let me show you the comparison between the passenger side being LED and the driver side being halogen. You can see there's a huge difference. Even on the wall, there's a big difference in the daylight. So I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. But now that I've gone through the passenger side, figured out all the kinks and everything, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the driver side for your 2015 to 2017 F-150. It's very, very easy, and it just requires a couple bolts removed, dust cover, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to do is take out a couple screws. We got one there, we've got one right here, and we also have a clip back here that just kind of unscrews. And just to make sure we get the whole wheel well liner peeled back, there's also another screw right up here that we're going to get as well. So we got 3 5.5 millimeter screws, one twist off clip, and then we could peel back the wheel well liner and expose the back of the headlight housing. All right, now that I've got all of the bolts loose, that clip actually just loosens and then it'll pull out when we pull back the wheel well liner. Let's go ahead and do that. I've got everything out, so we just need to basically peel it back here. There we go, now it's all loose. And we're just going to basically need to peel it back and hold it somehow. So I'll set the camera down and do that real quick. All right, now with the wheel well liner peeled back, we can look inside here. See right here is the high beam for the headlight. So this is a dust cover. We'll just need to peel that off and then it'll expose the bulb. So let's go ahead and get the dust cover off. All right, now that the dust cover's off, you can see the bulb in there and the plug. So we'll just undo the bulb, pull it out, and we will unplug it. And pull the bulb out like that. And you'll see that the harness is connected to the bulb. So we're just gonna need to undo the harness from the bulb, and there you go. Old bulb is out. Let's get the new Lasfit LED. Okay, here is the Lasfit LED bulb. It's quite a bit bigger, but it does fit. I verified that on the passenger side. So what we're going to need to do is plug the harness in to the Lasfit LED harness, and then we will put the bulb into the housing and we'll test it out. Now to put the bulb in the housing. This can be a little bit tricky because it seems like it can lock in a bunch of different ways, but there's only one way that it can go in. So you're gonna have to test fit a couple times, see which way actually works best. The bulb is now screwed in, and take note that where the harness comes out of the bulb itself is to the left, and that's what seems to be the most locked in that I can get. And then you just tuck in the harness and we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and test this and make sure that the fan spins in the back before we go ahead and put the dust cover on. You can see now that both sides have the Lasfit LEDs in the high beams, and man, they are bright. Oh, let me show you guys what it looks like on the wall. It looks so bright. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. But if you can hear, the fan is actually going. Now you can't hear this obviously when the truck is on, but when it's just on battery and the bulb is on, you can hear the fan just trying to keep everything cool, which is very, very awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the dust cover on, and we'll put the wheel well liner back on, and we should be good to go. All right, I got the dust cover back on. Let's go ahead and flip the wheel well lining back, and then we'll put in the 3 bolts in the 1 clip, and we should be done. Everything is put back together. We got that bolt back in, that one back in, we got the clip back there back in, and also the bolt up here all tightened down. Everything is put back together, and that's it for the install. That's pretty much all you have to do. So now that I've installed the bulbs, let's go ahead and compare what the original halogen high beam looks like and what the new Lasfit LED high beam looks like. And as you can see here, the Lasfit LED is so much brighter than the stock halogen bulb. Surprisingly enough, the Lasfit LED is like super bright in these conditions. So yeah, overall, like super happy with the Lasfit LED. It's high quality and it's super, super bright. And like I said before, it's a really easy install. It takes about, 5-10 minutes per side, and you can have extremely upgraded lighting compared to the stock halogen bulb. That's pretty much all I had for this video. Again, don't forget to use the links down in the description below to go check out bulbs for your car or truck. And if you do end up buying some bulbs through those links, use the code PCM10 for 10% off, which should help you out a little bit. And yeah, I had a really fun time doing this. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Did you like the install? Did you want more detail, less detail, more comparison, or just your general thoughts on the video? I would much appreciate it. I will be releasing another video next Tuesday. So in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.